Hello guys, how you can earn from $2,500 to $39,300 every single month just by doing really simple work and doing a really very little work, just working half an hour a day, and you can make this amount of money every single day. How you are gonna do this is everything what I'm gonna explain you and tell you all the steps which you require to make this amount of money passively on autopilot. It comes directly to your bank account every single month. So now let's jump into the strategy. I will show you the entire thing how you can make this kind of money every single month. The first thing you need to do is you need to go to YouTube. Okay, yes, we are going to utilize this platform to make this amount of money, and how we are going to do this is what I'm going to tell you in this video. But before we jump into the content, I would like to tell you that if you're interested in make money online, affiliate marketing, online business, then just press the subscribe button so that you will get notified every time I come up with a new strategy to make money online for you every single time. And also do press the like button so that YouTube algorithm gets the new update about that my videos is liked by you, and it will send it to more and more people. This will help me with the YouTube algorithm and also help you so that I can stay motivated and come up with this all new strategies which can make you a lot of money online. So let's jump into content without wasting any of your time. All you need to do is to go to YouTube and search for 5-minute crafts. Okay, so now we have searched here 5-minute crafts. What happened? Okay, here is 5-minute crafts, and you can see there are a lot of videos about this. Okay, and these channels are earning a lot of money. Let's check out this one. Okay, so this is one of the channels which is 5-minute crafts family, and all they are doing is creating this kind of simple videos. Okay, I will be telling you how you can create this type of simple videos in the end of the video, as well as I will also tell you that how you can hire someone who can create this type of videos for a very low price, and then you can upload those videos to YouTube, and you don't need to do any editing of the video, or you don't need to make any videos manually, and you can start making money out of this videos. All this stuff is going to be covered in this video, so watch this video till the end so you understand all the steps and don't miss anything. Okay, so you can see this is the channel 5-minute crafts family, and you can see this they are creating is all the simple videos utilizing things which are just found at their home. Okay, so you can see this all the simple stuff is going over here, and they are getting a lot of views 12 million views, 236 million, 1.8 million views. So now let's check out how much this channel is earning. Let's copy its name. Control C, we have copied it. Now let's go over here. Now once we go to here, and we can see that, okay, this is a different one. Let's paste that channel over here. Okay, 5-minute crafts family. Let's search for 5-minute crafts family. Now let's search and let's see how much this channel is making. Okay, so we are on the channel, and you can see this channel is recently created. It's just 1 year old, and you can see that this created in 2018. Okay, on December of 13, just it's a year old. Okay, and you can see they have uploaded almost 1200 videos. So yeah, they are doing some consistent work and uploading most of the videos on this channel. Okay, and you can see this channel has got some exponential growth, and they are making from $24,000 to through $385,000 every single month. Okay, so just understand the potential of how much your channel can grow if you create this type of videos. Okay, I'm gonna tell you that how you are gonna create this type of videos absolutely for free, as well as with a paid strategy. Okay, paid strategy can help you gain this all this stuff very soon. Okay, so you can see all these videos, and they are getting a lot of views every single day, and they are earning a lot of money. Now I will show you how you can find this type of videos. Just search for 5-minute crafts, okay, and you can see here where you can see the filter over here, and you can go to Creative Commons. But I don't recommend this method. But still, if you are a beginner and you don't have money in the start, then you can utilize this Creative Commons strategy. Most of the videos which are there in the Creative Commons tab can be re-uploaded to YouTube, but you can't directly re-upload those videos to YouTube. You have to make some changes in those videos, edit those videos in any of the video editor, and only after that you can upload those videos to your YouTube channel, and so you can monetize them. Okay, so that's the requirement which you have. You can download multiple of these videos to your computer, just edit them in any of the video editor, and the video editor which I use is known as Openshot. Let me show you the video editor. Okay, so this is the website from where you can get this video editor, which is known as Openshot. It is a absolutely great video editor. You can edit videos up to 4K in this video editor, and it's available absolutely for free. Okay, it's an open source software, so it is free. So just download it to your computer, and you can make some simple changes in this videos. Download these videos to your computer. Okay, and you can just make some simple changes in those videos, and you can re-upload these videos to YouTube. Now the question comes is that how you can download these videos. All you need to do is go to this website, which is ytmp3.cc. okay, and you can download YouTube videos with this website. All you need to do is go to our YouTube, copy the link of the video. Okay, just let's click this one, copy the link of this video. We copied the link, and then you just have to go to this website and just click on this MP4 and just click on Ctrl V, and now just click on convert, and after this it gets converted, and then you can download this MP3 file. Okay, now you can download this video and just edit it in the video editor, and you re-upload to your YouTube channel. But I don't recommend this strategy for the long run. Okay, in the beginning, if you don't have any money, you can apply this strategy, but in the long run you have to switch to original content, and so that your channel can grow really fast once you switch on to original content. Okay, so once you start making some money from your YouTube channel, you complete your benchmark of 1000 subscribers as well as 4000 hours of watch time, then you can invest the money which you get from YouTube and get some original content to this. Okay, now so you can just go to Fiverr and just search for crafts. Okay, when you search for crafts on Fiverr, you can find a lot of people who are creating this type of videos. Okay, what is this? Let's back. Let's go back. Don't know. Okay, and you can find a lot of people. See, these people will create you this craft video. See, I will make DIY craft videos or origami video content for you just for $25. Okay, now you can see there are many of the people who are offering this services. Okay, see this one also, I will create beautiful craft videos. Okay, so see, many of the people are offering this services on Fiverr, and they are charging a very less money. Okay, so you can just hire them and tell them to make some videos for you. Okay, and you can start making money. Let's click on arts and crafts, and you will find even more videos. See, all these videos are available over here. Okay, and you can hire any of these people, and they can do this particular amount of work for you. They will create this type of videos for you. They will edit the videos, and all they will do is send the file to you, and all you need to do is download that file and then upload it to your YouTube channel, and that's it, and you are gonna make money. But I'm not saying that you will be making money very fast or in a day. Okay, it will take some time. It may take 3 to 6 months to let your channel grow, and make some real money. So that's really very important, which you need to take care that it will take some time, but you can definitely make up to $10,000 every single month if you are going to take action on this strategy and do it as I have told you in this video. Okay, so I have explained you the entire procedure which you require to make this kind of videos and start making money out of that. So if you got some value from this video, if you like my content and you are interested in learning more about making money online, affiliate marketing, online business, as well as many other passive strategies with which you can make a lot of money, then I just tell you that you should subscribe to my YouTube channel as well as press the bell notification so that you will get notified every time I come up with awesome videos just like this. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching.